In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have an animated Steam profile. We'll walk through creating or choosing an animated avatar, getting into your profile, and updating your picture so it plays wherever your profile is seen. I'll also share helpful tips to make sure your animation looks crisp and loads quickly. First, you'll need an animated file ready to go. You can create your own animation or download one you have permission to use. Stick to widely supported formats like GIF or WEBM, and keep Steam's file size and dimension limits in mind. Smaller files load faster and are less likely to be rejected. Aim for a square canvas so it frames well, keep motion smooth but not too busy, and consider trimming the length or reducing the frame rate to keep the file lightweight. If your animation loops, export it as a seamless loop so it looks professional on your profile. Next, open Steam on your desktop or in a browser and sign into your account. Using the desktop client is usually the smoothest experience, but the browser version works too. Once you're in, look to the top right of the window. Click your username, then choose View My Profile. This opens your main Steam profile page where you can see your current avatar, showcase, badges, and more. From here, click Edit Profile to access your customization options. In the sidebar or tabs, find the Avatar or Profile Picture section. This is where you control your profile image and swap it out for something new. Select the option to upload a custom image. When the file browser opens, navigate to your animated GIF or WEBM and choose it. Give it a moment to upload, then save your changes. After saving, your avatar will update across Steam. It should appear animated on your profile page and on your friends lists. If you don't see it change right away, refresh the page or restart the client to clear any cached images. If the animation doesn't play, double-check that the file is within Steam's limits, uses a supported format, and isn't excessively large. Simplifying the animation, reducing dimensions, or compressing the file can help. Also, preview how it looks on both light and dark themes to make sure your avatar remains clear and readable. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.